নমস্কাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, আপোনালোকৰ পুনৰ এবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মোৰ ষ্টাডি চেনেল এনালাইজ আৰু মেমৰাইজলৈ। আজি মই এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আপোনালোকৰ লগত আসাম জুডিচিয়েল ছাৰ্ভিচ গ্ৰেড 3ৰ প্ৰিলিমিনেৰী এক্সাম 2012ৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰটো ডিছকাছ কৰিব লৈছোঁ। বলক আমি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Section 129 of Evidence Act 1872 states that no one shall be compelled to disclose to the court any confidential communication which has taken place between dash. Our options bilak hol option A teacher and student, option B company and its client, option C legal professional advisor and its client, and option D landlord and tenant. Aru amar correct answer to hobo option C legal professional advisor and his client. তাৰপিছত আমাৰ নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যনটো কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 আণ্ডাৰ ছেকশ্যন 114 অফ এভিডেন্স এক্ট 1872 কোৰ্ট মে প্ৰিজিউম দ্য এক্সিষ্টেঞ্চ অফ এনি ফেক্ট হুইচ ইট থিংছ লাইকলি টু হেভ হেপেণ্ড ৰেগাৰ্ড বিং হেড টু দ্য কমন কোৰ্চ অফ ডেছ। অপশ্যনছ হ'ল অপশ্যন এ নেচাৰেল ইভেণ্ট, অপশ্যন বি হিউমেন কণ্ডাক্ট, অপশ্যন চি পাব্লিক প্ৰাইভেট বিজনেছ আৰু অপশ্যন ডি অল দ্য এবভ। আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰটো হ'ল অল দ্য এবভ। If a fact is likely to have happened in the common course of natural events according to general human conduct, according to public and private business, in their relation to the facts of the particular case, the court may presume the existence of such fact. Question number 2 explanation hoy to. Then our next question to hold question number 3. Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 applies to option A suit, option B appeal and application, option C execution and application, and option D all the above. And our correct answer to whole appeal and application. Then our question number 4, dacoity is committed dash. Option A ketia commit hoy, option A when 2 or more persons commit or attempt to commit robbery, option B when 5 or more persons commit or attempt to commit robbery, option C when robbery is committed with firearms or lethal weapons, and option D when 7 or more persons are engaged in extortion with arms. So our correct answer to hobo option B when 5 or more persons commit or attempt to commit robbery. Etu section 391 of Indian Penal Code 1860 দিয়া আছে যে 5ৰ পৰা বেছি 5 বা 5ৰ পৰা বেছি মানুহে যদি ৰবাৰী কমিট কৰে হেতুকে ডেকয়টি বুলি কোৱা হয়। Then our next question number 5, mens rea is dash. Option A guilty mind, option B proven fact, option C intention of the lawmaker, and option D measuring mind. And our correct answer to whole guilty mind. Option A mens rea is guilty mind. Etu eta necessary element of crime বুলিও কোৱা হয়। Then our next question to whole section 89 of the Code of Civil Procedure provides for settlement of disputes by referring the matter to dash. Option A arbitration and conciliation, option B fast track court, option C advocate general, and option D all the above. And our correct answer to hobo option A arbitration and conciliation. Section 89 of dia ase the settlement of dispute outside the court. Then our question number 7, no suit against the government or public officer shall be instituted until expiration of dash period next after notice in writing has been delivered. Options all option A 1 month, option B 2 month, option C 15 days, or option D 90 days. And our correct answer to whole 2 months. Section 80 clause 1 of Code of Civil Procedure provides that a notice shall be moved prior to the institution of a suit against the government or against a public officer in respect of any act purporting to be done in the official capacity, and a suit shall be instituted only after the expiration of 2 months of giving notice. Then question number 8, the doctrine of double jeopardy in Article 20 clause 2 of the Constitution of India means dash. Option A, no one can be tried and punished more than once for the same offense. Option B, one can be tried several times for the same offense. Option C, punishment once awarded cannot be enhanced in appeal or revision. Or option D, one can be tried more than once but punished only once. Or our correct answer to hobo option A, no one can be tried and punished more than once for the same offense. Then our correct next question to hobo question number 9. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court hold that basic structure of the Constitution of India cannot be amended by exercising the power of amendment under Article 368? Our options bilak option A, Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan. Option B, Sankari Prasad versus Union of India. Option C, Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Or option D, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Or our correct answer to whole option C, Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Then question number 10. By the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, the following words have been added to the preamble of the Constitution of India. Option A, unity and integrity. Option B, socialist and secular. Option C, socialist, secular and integrity. Option D, secular, unity and integrity. Or our correct answer to hobo option C, socialist, secular and integrity. Then our question number 11. Respect for the national flag and national anthem is dash. Option A, fundamental rights of every citizen. Option B, fundamental duty of every citizen. Option C, directive principles of state policy. Or option D, none of the above. Or our correct answer to whole option B, fundamental duty of every citizen. The Constitution in the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 added Part 4A of the Constitution, consisting of Article 51A, which introduced the concept of fundamental duties. Aru A, respect for national flag and national anthem, one of the fundamental duties inserted in the Constitution. Tapisot question number 12. Issuance of writ of mandamus relates to dash. Option A, non-performance of private duty. Option B, specific performance of contract. Option C, non-performance of public duty. Or option D, none of the above. Or our correct answer to hobo option C, non-performance of public duty. The writ of mandamus literally means a command. The writ of mandamus is issued to enforce performance of public duties which are mandatory in nature. Tarpisot our question number 13. Who amongst the following is exempted from the application of Indian Penal Code? Aru our options bilak hol A, President of India. Option B, diplomats. Option C, alien enemy. Or option D, all of the above. Aru our correct answer to hobo option D, all of the above. Although under the section 2 of Indian Penal Code, every person is liable to punishment for committing an offence, yet there are certain exceptions to the general rule which are based on principal expediency, convention, agreement or understanding between the nations. Article 361(2) of the Constitution of India exempts the President of India and governors of states for criminal liability during the terms of his office. However, after the term of office, anyone can file a case against him for committing an offence. The diplomatic agents are also provided immunity from criminal liability. The immunity of the diplomats from criminal liability is based upon his being the representative of sovereign states. He is entitled to same immunity which a sovereign state is entitled to. And alien enemies cannot be tried by ordinary criminal courts except when they commit crimes not connected with the warlike theft. এটোত মোৰ আনসাৰটো অপশন এ বুলি আহিছে কিন্তু কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো অপশন ডি হ'ব। Then question number 14. Presumption as to dowry death of a woman is provided in the Indian Evidence Act 1872 under section option A section 113A, option B section 113B, option C section 113 and option D section 114A. and our correct answer to hobo option B section 113B. Section 113B provides presumption as to dowry death. Then our next question, which is the following kind of mortgage is not included in section 58 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? Option A, anomalous mortgage, option B, usufructuary mortgage, option C, simple English mortgage, and option D, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. And our correct answer to hobo option A, anomalous mortgage. Then question number 16, maxim res ipsa loquitur means res ipsa loquitur meaning to ki hai? Option A, the thing speaks for itself. Option B, he who cannot act by himself cannot act at all. Option C, he who doesn't act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. Or option D, none of the above. And our correct answer to hobo option A, the thing speaks for itself. Then our next question, question number 17. When a writ is issued to an inferior court or tribunal on the ground of exceeding jurisdiction or acting in violation of the rules of natural justice, it is called a writ of dash. Option A, certiorari, option B, mandamus, option C, quo warranto, and option D, habeas corpus. And our correct answer to hobo certiorari. Option A, certiorari. The writ of certiorari is an instrument through which higher courts keep the lower courts, tribunals and other quasi-judicial bodies within the limits of their jurisdiction. If they act beyond the jurisdiction conferred upon it or act in violation of the principle of natural justice, their decisions can be quashed. Then question number 18, prohibition of employment of children below dash years is prohibited under Article 24 of the Constitution of India. Yat more typing error eta hol provided or jagat prohibited hobo. Yar options bilak hol Article 14 or 14 years, or option B 16 years, option C 18 years, or option D none of the above. So yat amar correct answer to hobo option A 14 years. Eto article 21A insert kora hoise fundamental right to education. The prohibition of employment of children below 14 years is prohibited under article is provided under Article 24 of the Constitution of India. Then question number 19, Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Force is option A, President of India, option B, Prime Minister of India, option C, Defense Minister, or option D, Chief of Army Staff. And our correct answer to whole President of India. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of Defense Forces in India. Tapisot, our next question, question number 20, who is the present Attorney General of India? Option A, Salman Khurshid, option B, Soli Sarabji, option C, G.E. Vahanvati, and option D, Gopal Subramaniam. Now, tetia question 2012 year G.E. Vahanvati asile present Attorney General, tetia present, then kintu etia at present amar Attorney General hol K.K. Venugopal. So etu ma underline kori disu 2012 G.E. Vahanvati asile. Then question number 21, what is the retirement age of a judge of the Supreme Court of India? Options bilak hol option A 62 years, option B 58 years, option C 70 years, and option D 65 years. And our correct answer to hol option D 65 years. Tapisot our question number 22, who is the present Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court? তো অপশনছবিলাক জাষ্টিছ মদন বি লকুৰ, অপশ্যন বি জাষ্টিছ জে চেলামেশ্বৰ, অপশ্যন চি জাষ্টিছ আদৰ্শ কুমাৰ গোয়েল আৰু অপশ্যন ডি নান অফ দ্য এবভ। তো দেন চিফ জাষ্টিছ আছিলে আমাৰ জাষ্টিছ আদৰ্শ কুমাৰ গোয়েল, কিন্তু এট প্ৰেজেণ্ট আছে জাষ্টিছ সুধাংশু ধুলিয়া। দেন আমাৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 23, out of the following eminent personalities of Assam, who has been awarded Bharat Ratna? Options বিলাক option A Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi, option B Hem Borua, option C Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed আৰু option D Mamoni Rosam Goswami। আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ল option A Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi। তেওঁ 1999 ইয়াৰত তেওঁৰ আউটষ্টেণ্ডিং পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চেছ ইন দ্য ফিল্ড অফ পাব্লিক এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে ভাৰত ৰত্ন এৱাৰ্ডটো দিয়া হৈছিলে। তাৰপিছত কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 24, ছেকশ্যন 82 অফ দ্য ইণ্ডিয়ান পেনেল কোড প্ৰভাইডছ ডেট নাথিং ইজ এন অফেন্স উইচ ইজ ডান বাই এ চাইল্ড আণ্ডাৰ দ্য এজ অফ, অপশ্যনছ হ'ল 7 years, 10 years, 14 years আৰু নান অফ দ্য এবভ। তো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰটো হ'ব 7 years। Under 7 years of age, a child is said to be dolly incapax. Then our question number 25, an executing court dash etu 2011 or question to ahisile. Option A whole can modify the terms of the decree, option B can vary the terms of the decree, option C can modify and vary the terms of the decree, and option D can neither modify nor vary the terms of the decree. And our correct answer to hobo can neither modify nor vary the terms of decree. Section 42 clause 4 of the Code of Civil Procedure mandates that the court executing the decree does not exercise power in respect of the matters which could be determined only by the court which passed the decree. Then our question number 26, a garnishee is option A the judgment debtor, option B the judgment debtor's debtor, option C judgment debtor's creditor, and option D none of the above. And our correct answer to hobo option B judgment debtor's debtor. The term garnishee means a judgment debtor's debtor. He is a person who is liable to pay a debt to the judgment debtor or to deliver any movable property to him. Then question number 27, who composed the immortal song O Mor Apunar Dekh? Options bilak hol option A Bishnu Prasad Rabha, option B Bhupen Hazarika, option C Sahitya Lakshminath Bezborua, option D none of the above. And our correct answer to hol option C Sahitya Lakshminath Bezborua. Question number 28, if a patient is taken inside an operation theatre for angioplasty, then his disease is dash. Option A liver function, option B lung cancer, option C congestion in the arteries due to fat and cholesterol, or option D dislocation of thigh bone. And our correct answer to whole congestion of the arteries due to fat and cholesterol. Then our question number 29, which of the following human blood group is called the universal donor? Option A group, option B B group, option C AB group, or option D O group. And our correct answer to what O group. O group of universal donor boli koa hoy. Then option 30, complete the series 2, 4, 7, 11 dash or 22. So yat our options bilak dia ase option A 14, option B 15, option C 16 and option D 17. So amar yat A series to +2 then +3 1 1 ke house bilak agbarhi goise. তো হেতু কাৰণে ইয়াত প্লাস কৰি 1 1 কে প্লাস কৰি গৈ থাকিলে 2 + 2 4, 4 + 3 7, 7 + 4 11 আৰু 11 + 5 16 আৰু 16 + 6 22. তো অপশন 11 + 5 হ'ব 16. তো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশন সি 16. Then our next question number 31, Who amongst the following great personalities is known as Rup Kaur? Option A Hemanga Biswas, Option B Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, Option C Bishnu Prasad Rabha, और Option D Bhupen Hazarika. और आमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो Option B Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Then question number 32. The day after tomorrow is my birthday. Next week the same day is the day of Holi. If yesterday was Sunday, what day would be the day after Holi? So here this say day after tomorrow is my birthday. Aru next week the same day is the day of Holi. So this say here if yesterday was Sunday, yesterday Sunday asile mane aji Monday mane day after tomorrow to hobo Wednesday. तो वेडनेसडे याद दिसे नेक्स्ट वीक द सेम डे इज द डे ऑफ होली माने डे आफ्टर टुमोरो वेडनेसडे और नेक्स्ट डे एटू सेम डे माने वेडनेसडे होली आसे तो तार पिছত কৈছে जे व्हाट वुड बी द डे आफ्टर होली तो होली जदि नेक्स्ट वीक और वेडनेसडे जदि होली आसे तो होली नेक्स्ट डे होबो थर्सडे तो आमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो ऑप्शन बी थर्सडे देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 The expression Richter scale relates to dash. Option A flood, Option B volcano, Option C earthquake और Option D none of the above. तो आमार करेक्ट आंसर आपनालोके जाने सके जे एटु रिक्टर स्केल होबो हेरी earthquakeर आमी earthquake मेजरमेंट करिबोले रिक्टर स्केल टू यूज करो तारपिছত आमार क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 When he dash his haircut, he took a bath. तो आमार करेक्ट आंसर होबो When he have had his haircut, he took a bath. Option A. When he have had his haircut, he took a bath. Then question number 35. Kirtan Ghosha was composed by Option A. Madhav Kundali, Option B. Srimanta Shankardev, Option C. Haridev, Option D. Dr. Maheshwar Niyog. और आमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो ऑप्शन बी श्रीमंत शंकरदेवे कीर्तन घोषा এখন কম্পোজ কৰিছিলে তাৰপিছত क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 I never miss a cricket match as I dash fond of cricket since childhood. Option A has been, Option B will be, Option C am और Option D was. तो आमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो am. I never miss a cricket match as I am fond of cricket since childhood. Then question number 37 I am tired dash this work. Options bilak hol Option A with, Option B of, Option C by और Option D none of the above. तो आमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो of. I am tired of this work. Then आमार question number 38 I want to go dash my friend's birthday party. Options bilak in, at, to, into. तो हमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो I want to go to my friend's birthday party. Then question number 39 we must try to get home dash time for dinner. Option A at, Option B by, Option C since, Option D in. और हमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो in time. We must try to get home in time for dinner. Then question number 40 the national song Vande Mataram was composed by dash. Option A Rabindranath Tagore, Option B Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Option C Iqbal और Option D none of the above. और हमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो Option B Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then our next question number 41 Tirupati is in dash. Options bilak Option A Andhra Pradesh, Option B Tamil Nadu, Option C Kerala और Option D Karnataka. और हमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होल Option C Kerala. Then our next question number 42 Davis Cup is related to which sport? Option A hockey, Option B tennis, Option C football और Option D cricket. और हमार करेक्ट आंसर तो होबो टेनिस स्पोर्ट लगत डेविस कप रिलेटेड. Then question number 43 the famous football player Zinedine Zidane played for which country? Option A Italy, Option B Brazil, Option C France और Option D Germany. আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশন সি ফ্ৰান্স জাইনদাইন জিদানে ফ্ৰেঞ্চ ফুটবলাৰ Then question number 44 an agreement the meaning of which is not certain is dash তো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো কি হ'ব অপশনস বিলাক অপশন এ void অপশন বি voidable অপশন সি valid আৰু অপশন ডি none of the above আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব void an agreement the meaning of which is not certain is void ইয়াত section 29 of Indian Contract Act 1872 agreements the meaning of which is not certain or ambiguous are void Then our next question number 45 all agreements are contract if dash option A they are made by the free consent of parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration and with a lawful object or option C not expressly declared to be void or option D all of the above so our correct answer to hobo all of the above section 10 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 provides that all agreements become contract only if they are made by free consent of the parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration and lawful object and agreements are not expressly declared to be void. Free consent of the parties is governed by section 13 to 22 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. তাৰপিছত question number 46 a proposal when accepted becomes dash option A an undertaking option B a promise option C an agreement আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo a promise a proposal when accepted becomes a promise section 2B of the Indian Contract Act 1872 provides that when a person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto the proposal is said to be accepted a proposal when accepted becomes a promise then question number 47 an agreement enforceable by law is a dash option A contract option B an undertaking option C promise আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo option A contract section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872 provides that an agreement enforceable by law is a contract then question number 48 immovable property does not include option A building option B land option C standing timber or option D none of the above or our correct answer to hobo option C standing timber section 3 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 provides that immovable property does not include standing timber growing crops or grass then question number 49 the doctrine of part performance of contract is provided in section dash of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 options bilak section 53A section 53 section 52 আৰু none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo section 53A then question number 50 a mortgage which is not a simple mortgage a mortgage by conditional sale an usufructuary mortgage an English mortgage or a mortgage by deposit of title deeds is called dash options bilak a pledge an anomalous mortgage agreement of mortgage আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo option B an anomalous mortgage section 58G of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 states that a mortgage is an anomalous mortgage when it is not simple mortgage a mortgage by conditional sale an usufructuary mortgage an English mortgage or a mortgage by deposit of title deeds then আমি next question le jao question number 51 I would rather have water dash milk option A instead of option B but option C instead to আৰু option D instead from আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hobo option A instead of then question number 52 if floriculture is the cultivation of flowers horticulture is dash option A practice of garden cultivation particularly of fruits option B rearing of fish, option C rearing of ducks, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব practice of garden cultivation, particularly of fruits. তাৰপিছত আমাৰ next question number 53. Ornithologist is one who is engaged in the dash. Option A study of flowers, option B study of animals, option C study of birds, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব study of birds. Ornithology is one who is engaged in the study of birds. তাৰপিছত question number 54. Which one of the under-mentioned right is guaranteed to the citizens of India as a freedom under Article 19 of the Constitution? Options bilak, option A right to vote, option B right to citizenship, option C right to contest election, option D right to assemble peacefully without arms. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option D right to assemble peacefully without arms. Article 19(1) clause B, subclause B guarantees to all citizens of India right to assemble peacefully without arms. Then our next question number 55. The term sale in the Transfer of Property Act 1882 is defined in section option A 53, option B 54, option C 55, or option D 56. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B section 54. তাৰপিছত question number 56. A second appeal under section 100 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 lies to the High Court dash. Option A on a point of law, option B on a mixed question of law and fact, option C on disputed question of fact, option D on substantial question of law. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option D on substantial question of law. Section 100 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 provides that a second appeal lies to the High Court from every decree passed in appeal by any court subordinate to the High Courts if the High Court is satisfied that the case involves a substantial question of law. Then question number 57. Injunction is granted under which provision of the Civil Procedure Code 1908? Option A section 115, option B order 39 rule 1, option C section 96, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B order 39 rule 1. Order 39 rule 1 states that the cases in which a court grants temporary injunction may be granted by the courts under order 39 rule 1. Then question number 58. A person claiming a right to appear before the court may lodge a caveat under which provision of the Civil Procedure Code 1908? Options bilak hol option A section 148, option B section 148A, option C section 151, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to hol option B section 148A. Then question number 59. A plaint shall be rejected. Option A if it does not disclose a cause of action, option B if it is filed in the wrong court, option C if proper parties are not aided, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব if it does not disclose a cause of action. Or order 7 rule 11 of the Code of Civil Procedure provides that a plaint shall be rejected if it does not disclose the cause of action. Then question number 60. An application can be filed for review of a judgment if dash. Option A if the judgment is erroneous, option B if there is error apparent on the face of the record, option C if the matter is important and requires rehearing, আৰু option D none of the above. আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B if there is error apparent on the face of the record. Under section 114 of the Code of Civil Procedure, for review is error apparent on the face of the record. It is a ground hoy application file kora. Then question number 61. At present, Guwahati High Court has jurisdiction over dash states. Options bilak option A 7, option B 1, option C 8 আৰু option D 4. তো তেতিয়া 2012 7 ষ্টেটছৰ ওপৰত গুৱাহাটী হাই কোৰ্টৰ জুৰিছডিকশ্যন আছিলে কিন্তু এতিয়া এট প্ৰেজেণ্ট 2021 অনলি 4 ষ্টেটছৰ ওপৰত জুৰিছডিকশ্যন আছে এইটো 4 ষ্টেটছ হ'ল আসাম নাগালেণ্ড মিজোৰাম আৰু অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশ আৰু এইটো 2013 23rd মাৰ্চৰ পৰা মেঘালয় মণিপুৰ আৰু ত্ৰিপুৰাৰ সেপাৰেট হাই কোৰ্টছৰ ফাংচনিং ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছিলে তো সেইকাৰণে তাৰ পিছৰ পৰা অকল 4টা ষ্টেটছৰ ওপৰতহে জুৰিছডিকশ্যনটো কণ্টিনিউ হৈ আছে তাৰপিছত আমাৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 62 লৈ যাওঁ when a person has not been heard of for dash years by those who would naturally have heard of him if he had been alive, the burden of proving that such a person is alive is shifted to the person who affirms it. Option A 30, option B 7, option C 10 আৰু option D 14. তো আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B 7 years. Section 108 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 provides that when it is proved that a person has not been heard of for 7 years by those who would have heard him if he had been alive, the burden of proving that he is alive is shifted to person who affirms it. Then question number 63. Summons case means a case dash. Option A relating to an offense and not being a warrant case. Option B relating to an offense punishable with 7 years. Option C where summons are issued আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option A relating to an offense not being a warrant case. তাৰপিছত question number 64 non-cognizable offense means option A police officer has no authority to arrest without warrant. Option B a police officer has authority to arrest without warrant. Option C a police officer may arrest but inform the higher authority afterwards আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব a police officer has no authority to arrest without warrant. Option A. Section 2(1) ত non-cognizable offense to define কৰা আছে. Then question number 65. A person shall be eligible to be appointed as a public prosecutor if he has been in practice for not less than dash. Option A 7 years, option B 3 years, option C 10 years আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব 7 years. Option A. Section 7 Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 দিয়া আছে যে পাব্লিক প্ৰসিকিউটৰ হিচাপে এপইণ্ট কৰাৰ কাৰণে আগত 7 years মিনিমাম 7 yearsৰ প্ৰেক্টিছৰ দৰকাৰ. Then question number 66. Anticipatory bail can be granted to a person apprehending arrest on accusation of having committed a non-bailable offense under dash. Option A section 437 CRPC, option B section 438 CRPC, option C section 439 CRPC আৰু option D section 436 CRPC আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option B section 438 CRPC. Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 empowers the High Court and Court of Sessions to grant anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail means an order releasing the accused in the event of his arrest. Then question number 67. The attorney protested that testimony being offered was not dash to the case and asked it to be struck off from the record. Option A favorable, option B harmful, option C germane আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব germane. ইয়াৰ meaning to হ'ল inappropriate বা appropriate হোৱা germane বা relevant. এটো relevant নহয় বুলি struck off কৰি দিবলৈ কৈছে. তাৰপিছত question number 68. Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium is located at dash. Option A Kolkata, option B Mumbai, option C Hyderabad আৰু option D Delhi আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব Delhi. ফিৰোজ শাহ কোটলা ষ্টেডিয়ামটো দিল্লীত আছে। দেন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 69, with which of the sport Mary C. Kom is associated with? Option A badminton, option B weightlifting, option C boxing আৰু option D kabaddi আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option C boxing. Then question number 70, there are two classes of advocates in India. Option A advocates and senior advocates, option B solicitors and barristers, option C government advocates and private advocates আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ল option A advocates and senior advocates. Section 16 of the Advocates Act 1961 provides that there shall be two classes of advocates, namely senior advocates and other advocates. তাৰপিছত আমাৰ question number 71, to free a person from the charge of or blame, যিকোনো charge বা blameৰ পৰা তাক free কৰি দিলে তাক wordটো কি use কৰা হয়? Option A inculpate, option B exculpate, option C circumvent আৰু option D expunge আৰু আমাৰ correct answerটো হ'ব exculpate. কাবাক exculpate কৰা মানে free from blame. Then question number 72, the maxim nemo debit esse judex in causa propria sua means dash. Option A affected party should be heard, option B freedom from bias, option C notice must be given আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B freedom from bias. Then question number 73, DTP stands for option A desktop publishing, option B direct to print, option C DexJet type printer আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব desktop publishing. তাৰপিছত 74, the noise comes from dash the river. ইয়াত from এটা word extra দি দিছিলে, এইটো মই strike কৰি দিছোঁ. Options বিলাক হ'ল option A beyond, option B inside, option C depths of আৰু option D cross. তো আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব inside. The noise comes from inside the river. Then our question number 75, you can trust Raju to have everything dash. Option A over control, option B through control, option C for control আৰু option D under control আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব under control. You can trust Raju to have everything under control. Then question number 76, a court of people officially appointed to deal with special matters. আমাৰ option বিলাক হ'ল option A trial court, option B tribunal, option C appellate authority আৰু option D supreme court আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to option B tribunal. তাৰপিছত আমি next questionলৈ যাওঁ. Question number 77, ultravirus. Ultravirus is a term used to mean dash. Option A document corrupted by virus, option B beyond or in excess of powers, option C an irregular act আৰু option D none of the above আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option B beyond or in excess of powers. তাৰপিছত আমাৰ next question number 78, the headquarter of Northeastern Council is at option A Shillong, option B Guwahati, option C New Delhi আৰু option D Agartala আৰু আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব Shillong. The headquarter of Northeast Council is at Shillong. তাৰপিছত next question 79, who presides over the sessions of Rajya Sabha? Option A president, option B speaker, option C deputy speaker আৰু option D vice president. তো আমাৰ correct answer to হ'ব option D vice president. As per article 64 of the Constitution of India, the vice president shall be the ex officio chairman of the Council of States. তাৰপিছত question number 80, a dash of lions was moving menacingly in the jungle. আমাৰ options বিলাক option A pride, option B group, option C herd আৰু option D flock. তো collective nouns for lion to pride হ'ব. A pride of lions was moving menacingly in the jungle. Option A is the correct answer. Then question number 81, a dash of chital fish was seen near the river bank. Option A, school. Option B, bunch. Option C, cluster. Option D, handful. So collective noun for fish is school. So our correct answer to hobo option A. A school of chital fish was seen near the river bank. Then question number 82 lo jao. Choose the word from amongst the alternatives which has the closest meaning to the word ecstatic. So etur amar nearest meaning to hobo option A, very happy. Option B, unruly. Option C, angry. Aru option D, disobedient. Aru amar correct answer to hobo option A, very happy. Then question number 83. Choose the word from amongst the alternatives which has the closest meaning to the word annulled. Option A, upheld. Option B, set aside. Option C, remand. Aru option D, none of the above. Aru amar correct answer to hobo option C, option B, set aside. Then question number 84. Choose the word from amongst the alternatives which has the closest meaning to the word vox populi. So option number A, voice of people. Option B, voice of politicians. Option C, legal arguments. Or option D, none of the above. So vox populi mane hol amar voice of people. Option A, voice of people. Then question number 85. Article 227 of the Indian Constitution deals with option A, High Court's power of superintendence. Option B, power of speakers. Option C, election of vice president. Or option D, none of the above. Our correct answer to hobo option A, High Court's power of superintendence. Article 227 of the Constitution of India confers the High Court's power of superintendence over all courts and tribunals within its territorial jurisdiction except those which are created by or under a law relating to the armed forces. Then our question number 86. Grammy Award is given to people excelling in dash. Option A, sports. Option B, literature. Option C, politics. Or option D, music. So our correct answer to hobo option D, music. The Grammy Award is given to the artist who excel in the field of music. Tapisot question number 87. Which of the following is not a computer language? Option A, basic. Option B, tally. Option C, Pascal. Option D, Fortran. Our correct answer to hobo tally. Then question number 88. The full form of WWW is option A, win-win-win. Option B, worldwide wisdom. Option C, web worldwide. Or option D, world wide web. Our correct answer to hobo option D, world wide web. Tapisod our next question 89. The capacity of the modem is expressed in terms of dash. A, bits per second. Option B, bits per minute. Option C, kilobyte per second. Or option D, megabytes per second. Or our correct answer to hobo option A, bits per second. Tapisod question number 90. The doctor is able to get a clear picture of the fetus in the womb of a mother within the following technology. Option A, CT scan. Option B, X-ray. Option C, ultrasound. Or option D, laser. Or our correct answer to hobo ultrasound. Then আমি আসামিজ পার্টলে যাও question number 91. বিস্তৃতৰ বিপৰীত অৰ্থ বুজোৱা শব্দটো হ'ল অপশন এ হাকাৰ, অপশন বি সংক্ষিপ্ত, অপশন সি প্ৰক্ষিপ্ত আৰু অপশন ডি উৎক্ষেপ। আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব সংক্ষিপ্ত। তাৰপিছত কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 92 এৰেহা শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থ হ'ল অপশন এ উচ্ছিষ্ট, অপশন বি এৰিয়া, অপশন সি এৰালি আৰু অপশন ডি ওপৰ। আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশন এ উচ্ছিষ্ট। তাৰপিছত আমি নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনলৈ যাওঁ 93 ভেকুলীৰ পিঠিত নোম গজা খণ্ডবাক্যৰ অৰ্থ হ'ল অপশন এ অসম্ভৱ সম্ভৱ হোৱা, অপশন বি বিবুধিত পৰা, অপশন সি চিৰস্থায়ী আৰু অপশন ডি অখাৰ। তো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অসম্ভৱ সম্ভৱ হোৱা। তাৰপিছত কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 94 ভেড়াকুটীয়া জতুৱা ঠাঁচৰ অৰ্থ হ'ল অপশন এ অপব্যয়ী, অপশন বি ধেমেলীয়া, অপশ্যন চি এলেহুৱা আৰু অপশ্যন ডি পৰিপাটি আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন বি ধেমেলীয়া দেন নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 95 ধনী হৈও তেওঁৰ অহংকাৰ নাছিল এই বাক্যটো কি বাক্য হ'ব পাৰে অপশ্যন এ যৌগিক বাক্য অপশ্যন বি সৰল বাক্য অপশ্যন চি জটিল বাক্য আৰু অপশ্যন ডি নিৰ্দেশসূচক বাক্য আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন বি সৰল বাক্য দেন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 96 অন্তৰ্গত শব্দটোৰ সন্ধি ভাঙিলে হ'ব অপশ্যন এ অন্তৰযোগ গত অপশ্যন বি অন্তঃযোগ গত অপশ্যন চি অন্তযোগ গত আৰু অপশ্যন ডি অন্তযোগ গত আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ বি অন্তযোগ গত দেন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 97 তলৰ কোনটো শব্দৰ বানান শুদ্ধ অপশ্যন এ ঐক্যতান অপশ্যন বি ঐকতান অপশ্যন চি ঐচ্ছিক অপশ্যন ডি প্ৰতিকৃতি আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন এ ঐক্যতান দেন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 98 হি উনা উনে ধন ঘটিছে ইয়াত উনা উনে মানে কি হয় অপশ্যন এ সৰহকৈ অপশ্যন বি অলপকৈ অপশ্যন চি তাকৰীয়াকৈ আৰু অপশ্যন ডি নগণ্য আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব সৰহকৈ হি সৰহকৈ ধন ঘটিছে দেন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 99 আঠুৱা চাই ঠেং মেলা এই ফকৰা যোজনাটোৰ অৰ্থ কি হয় অপশ্যন এ সামৰ্থ্য চাই কাম কৰা অপশ্যন বি আঠুৱাৰ সামান্য ঠেং লগে অপশ্যন চি কঠিন কাম সহজকৈ কৰা আৰু অপশ্যন ডি কামত কঠোৰ হোৱা আৰু আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন এ সামৰ্থ্য চাই কাম কৰা তাৰপিছত আমাৰ লাষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 100 ধোৱা খাবলৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা দীঘলীয়া নলী লগোৱা সামগ্ৰীবিধৰ নাম কি হয় অপশ্যন এ গুৰগুৰি অপশ্যন বি হ'ল ভোগজোৰা আৰু অপশ্যন চি টুইমি আৰু অপশ্যন ডি ডগডগি তো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন এ গুৰগুৰি তো আজি মোৰ এই কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 100 লৈকে 2012 AJSৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰটো মই শেষ কৰিলোঁ আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ বাবে আপোনালোকক ধন্যবাদ আৰু মোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই থাকিবলৈ প্লিজ মোৰ ভিডিঅ'ছবিলাক লাইক কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু মই প্ৰিভিয়াছ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ 2011ৰো দি থৈছোঁ আপোনালোকক ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত লিংক দি দিম সেইটো আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব ধন্যবাদ